Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel HSSC Exam Learn with Vijeta. Today we are going to discuss some points regarding periodic table. Let's start. In periodic table, there are total 118 elements and these elements are divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. In S block, all elements are metals, and in P blocks, all elements are divided in three parts: metal, non-metal, and metalloids. That is, P block contains metal, non-metal, and metalloids. D block contains all metals. F block also contains all metals. S block is divided in two groups, Group 1 and Group 2. Group 1 elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second group elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Like this, all groups are divided in metal, non-metal and metalloids. If we discuss what's the trend of atomic radii in periodic table, as we go up to down, atomic radii increases, because if we goes down the group, a new shell added across each period. If the number of shells increase, then radii also increases. And if we go from left to right, all electrons added in the same shell, due to nuclear attraction, the size goes to decreases. Now let's discuss what's the trend of ionization energy. If we goes up to down, ionization energy decreases because atomic radii increases. If we goes from left to right, ionization energy increases because atomic radii decreases. Now we discuss what's the trend of electropositive character and electronegative character. If we goes from up to down, electropositive character increases, and if we go from left to right, electropositive character decreases, that is electronegative character increases. Some important points are like F block elements are also known as radioactive elements like uranium, neptunium, etc. In S block elements, the last electron goes to S subshell. In P block elements, the last electron goes to P subshell. In D block elements, the last electron goes to penultimate d orbital. And in F block element, the last electron goes to antipenultimate f orbital. And the last 18 group is also known as noble gases or inert gases, because the last orbital or the subshell is completely filled in case of noble gases. That's why they are called as noble gases. The S block element and halogens are very reactive elements. In periodic table, fluorine is the most electronegative element. After that, oxygen. After that, nitrogen. So these three are most electronegative elements, and francium is the electropositive element. Bromine is a non-metal which is liquid. Thanks for watching. If you like it, share, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.